All right, so we're looking at distance using scales and maps. If we look here, we look at a map distance. Maps are similar to the land they represent. They have exactly the same shape, so they're exactly as it goes around, but very different sizes. Okay, so here you've got 0, 10, and 20 kilometers. Maps are drawn using a scale, which is displayed on the map. So over here, there's the scale. And a scale describes the ratio between the distance on the map and then the actual distance on the land. And maps also have an icon depicting where north is. So over here, you can see north is that direction. Scale may be written as a ratio of a distance on a map to the actual distance, such as 1 is to 100,000. So you could pick what you want. 1 centimeter is equal to 1,000 centimeters, or 1 kilometer is 1 kilometer. Okay, so that's your ratio. Statements such as 1 centimeter represents 1 kilometer. So they will tell you, okay, so over here, 1 centimeter represents 1 kilometer. So if you measure on here 1 centimeter, you know in real life it's actually 1 kilometer. A scale bar, which is what we've got here, the scale on the map can be used to calculate the size of the objects and the distance between the objects on the map. So you measure with your ruler on your actual worksheet, and that's why I'm giving you a worksheet. And if that is 1 centimeter, then it means for every 1 centimeter, it's actually 10 kilometers. So that would be the ratio. Or for every 10 centimeters, it's 10 kilometers. Okay, so that would be your ratio. The scale of the map of the King Island here is 1 is to 1 million. This means that 1 unit on the map represents 1 million units in real life. So 1 millimeter on the map represents a million millimeters in real life. And 1 meter on the map represents 1 million meters, or 1,000 kilometers in real life. So walking from Curry, let's find Curry, there's Grassy, there's Curry. We'll be walking in a southeasterly direction because we know that that's north. So south is down here, east is there, would be in a southeasterly direction. Right, there's the map of Australia. Using the numerical scale to determine the distance between Melbourne and Adelaide. Okay, so here you've got your scale. That's 0, 200, 400, 600. So that distance there is 200 kilometers. Okay, and it says 1 is to 28,000. I can't see it properly. And there you've got north. Right, where's Melbourne? Melbourne is, there's Adelaide. And where's Melbourne? Melbourne is down here. Okay. What direction would you be traveling if you were going from Melbourne to Adelaide? So from there to there, straightish line. If there's north, there's west, which way are you traveling? Use a ruler to measure the linear distance in millimeters between Melbourne and Adelaide. So first of all, we'll be traveling in a northwesterly direction. So we're going that way. So we go from Melbourne, we go to Adelaide, and we count the millimeters. And we get 23 millimeters. So we write the numerical scale using appropriate point. 1 millimeter is 28 million millimeters. So what you do there is you change this. We know it was 23, so you put 1 millimeter is, you can change that to 28,000 meters because it just is easier to work with instead of all those zeros. Then we say 1 millimeter is 28 kilometers. That's even better. And then we say each millimeter represents 28 kilometers. So 23 millimeters represents 23 lots of 28 kilometers. So you times them together and you get 644 and you write the answer. The distance between Melbourne and Adelaide is 644 kilometers. Traveling from Melbourne to Adelaide would be in a northwesterly direction, which we've already answered. All right, I want you to go ahead and try those.